It is time once again for the weekly look at space weather and the terrestrial propagation forecast. The January 2nd, 2026 report from spaceweather.com has updated details about the coronal mass ejections predicted to hit Earth on January 3rd and 4th. Solar wind parameters are expected to be disturbed through January 4th, 2026, due to a combination of coronal hole high-speed stream and coronal mass ejection activity. There is the potential for glancing influences late into January 3rd from CMEs that left the Sun on December 28th through the 30th. Additional enhancements are possible again on January 4th, with the possible indirect impact of the CME that left the Sun on January 2nd. By early January 3rd, the arrival of the December 31st ejection is expected to cause unsettled minor to moderate storming. Additional geomagnetic storming is anticipated on January 4th with the possible impact of the January 2nd coronal mass ejection. Solar activity is expected to be predominantly low through January 24th, with C-class flares expected throughout the outlook period. M-class minor to moderate flares range from a chance to likely at times as active regions evolve and rotate on and off the disk. Solar activity is likely to be moderate with a chance for X-class flares through January 2nd due to the current magnetic complexity and development of the active regions on the visible solar disk. Periods of active conditions are likely on January 9th and 10th, and additionally on January 12th through the 14th due to negative polarity coronal hole high-speed stream influences. In the current 11-year cycle, we have become accustomed to the fact that the parameters of the ionosphere differ from those measured in previous cycles at the same level of solar activity. For example, the critical frequencies of the F2 ionospheric layer are significantly lower. This will probably also apply to the rest of the cycle. Even so, the forecast of a slower decline in solar activity is favorable for shortwave propagation. For more information concerning radio propagation, visit the ARRL Technical Information Service, read a quick guide to HF propagation using solar indices, and check out the propagation page of Carl Lewetzel-Swab K9LA. For customizable propagation charts, visit the VOACAP online for ham radio website.